Hi everyone, happy Christmas! Can you believe it? Christmas Day is finally here, and I know a lot of you today will be receiving a balloon modelling kit. It's a really popular Christmas present. It happened to me a few years ago. That's how I started, with one of those kits. And you're going to look at the instructions and incomprehensible diagrams and think, where on earth do I start? Well, don't worry. I'm here today to guide you through making your very first balloon dog. Now today, to make your balloon dog, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a balloon, and this is a modelling balloon. We call it a 260. And the reason for that is when this balloon is fully inflated, it stretches to approximately 2 inches in diameter and 60 inches long. So that's our 260, and that's what we're going to be using to make our balloon dog. And you're also going to need one of these, which is a hand pump, to help you inflate your balloon. And you need one that is about this size. If you've got something that is considerably smaller, then you're going to have to work that bit harder to inflate your balloon. And we take our hand pump, and with the pump in the downward position, we just put the nozzle of our balloon onto the top of the hand pump like that. And then we start to inflate. And we don't want to inflate this balloon all the way. And what I did there, as I removed the neck of the balloon, I just slipped it off, and I'm trapping the air in there. So if I let go a little bit, the air will come out. So I've got that trapped. And I've inflated that to there's perhaps a 3-4 inch tail there. Now to tie the balloon, you just need to twist first here. So I put a little twist in the balloon, and that's just going to keep the air in place. And then I pull the neck of the balloon between those 2 fingers, and I pull the neck over my fingers there, round behind the balloon, and I trap the nozzle between my 2 fingers there, and then I just pull that through, and that is tied. Okay, so give your balloon a little squeeze, and that just helps release some of the pressure at the beginning of the balloon. Now we're going to start to twist some bubbles. And I'm going to measure things. I'm going to say to you, we're going to make a 4-finger bubble or a 5-finger bubble. And we do that because we've always got hopefully we've always got our fingers with us. And therefore we've always got a standard measurement for ourselves. Accepting that people's hands are different widths. So, but it's a standard measurement for us as individuals. So I'm going to make a bubble that is perhaps about 4-5 fingers wide. You can see that it's kind of the width of my palm, and then I'm just going to twist that balloon there, that bubble there. Okay, and then we're going to twist another 5-finger bubble, and you need to keep hold of this first one. If you let go of this first bubble, it will unravel. Okay, so just hold on to that. And then we want to give this bit of balloon a bit of a squeeze, and we want to twist a third 5-finger bubble. Okay, and then we want to bring the balloon together, the bubbles together, and we are just going to twist those 2. Twist several times. And we've got our dog's face, and we've got his 2 ears. Okay, you're doing brilliantly. And then we want to twist another bubble, a small bubble that is perhaps about 2 fingers, and we just squeeze and twist, and then give your balloon a little squeeze, and we want to make another 5-finger bubble, followed by yet another 5-finger bubble. So that's what we've got. And then you want to twist this bit into this bit here. So just bring them together and twist round. Okay, So now we've got our dog's neck and his two front legs. Give your balloon a little squeeze. And we're going to make another 5 or 6 finger bubble. Okay, so just twist that. Followed by 2 more 5 finger bubbles. Keep hold of this one. And then we want to make 1 more 5 finger bubble. Twist that. That's what we've got. And then you're going to twist this bit into this bit here. Bring them together and just twist them round. And hey presto, there you have a balloon dog.